Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Consider subscribing. I do all things home, so today I'm doing a kitchen clean with me, and I just want you to take in this kitchen, the dishes, the clutter, everything. My kitchen was just a total mess, and this was actually the week that I started working, so it got crazy. And I had just done my office update, so I have my printer and the ream of paper on the counter, so this needs a serious cleanup. Now with every cleanup job, I like to tidy up first, just kind of get things where they belong. If they don't belong in the kitchen, then they need to get out of the kitchen. And when I do this, I mean, I literally got that stuff and put it either in the bathroom. Those candles go in the bathroom. The printer and the paper and my power drill, I just put in my room. I didn't worry about cleaning it up or putting it away. I'm only focusing on the kitchen. So that kind of helps you, because things can get unmanageable, or you can kind of get lost in the clutter and the cleanup if you want to clean everything at once. So I'm just putting things where they belong. And I'm wiping down my counters. This is my all-purpose cleaner. It's just water and a little bit of dish soap. Some people ask, what's a little bit? I guess it would be like, I don't know, maybe like a quarter teaspoon. It's a really small amount, just a few drops will do the trick. And I really like adding dish soap because of the smell too. It's a degreaser, it smells really nice, and it cleans up everything. So I'm just cleaning everything off, dusting everything off. I have my tortilla press that I hardly use, but when I do make tortillas, I'm so glad that I have it, you know, like once a year when I make corn tortillas. But it's nice to have one, and I have it in the corner of my kitchen to remind me to hopefully use it sometime this year. And here I'm taking out some pots and pans from my dishwasher, drying them off. Some of them were still wet, and putting them away. So I love having a dishwasher. Honestly, I use it for dishes. My kids don't have a whole lot of plastic toys, but the dishwasher is great for cleaning plastic toys as well. So if you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend. This is just a little ledge where my plants are. If you guys saw my plant video, you will have seen where all these little plants like to be. And I just like to dust it off. Sometimes there might be little bugs, little gnats that are dead on there, just dust, things like that. So I like to set it up to clean it up and then set everything back up. It's also an opportunity to you know, dust things off, see if my plants are doing okay, if they need water or anything like that. This is a little bottle drying rack, but I just love how simple it is and how compact it is. So I got it you know, more than a year ago when my daughter was born, but I still use it. I love how simple it is. So I'm gonna load up my dishwasher, and you'll see tiny little hands throughout this video. My little one is just always stuck to me like glue. You know, in Spanish we say, you know, es mi chicle. She's my bubble gum. Like, she's literally stuck to me all the time. So yes, you'll see her throughout the video touching things, and I'm trying to teach her to help out. But you know, she's young. She's 14 months. She's 15 months by the time you're watching this. And so, you know, there's not a lot she can do, but I just let her kind of touch things and play with things so she could get used to things in the house. You can see she already knows how to pull the drawer in and out. So my little helper is helping me get my dishwasher going. And I did have some dishes that didn't make it into the dishwasher, so I'm just gonna take care of those. And you guys, I feel like my kitchen every now and then just gets really piled up like this. And honestly, this week I was just doing too much. I was doing the most, like trying to get everything done. I started working again, like I mentioned in my last video. We had lots of just Zoom meetings, staff meetings, faculty meetings, getting to know everybody at different sites and what they're doing, and learning, the whole synchronous and asynchronous systems that we're all using. And on top of that, getting to know the students and just where they're at and what their goals are. And I want to give them that time, but at the same time, I have my YouTube channel that I want to create content for. I have a women's Bible study that I work on. It's every Wednesday on my church's Facebook page. So I do the videos for that. And by the way, I have a husband and 2 kids. So I was definitely in over my head this week, but at the same time, I'm just so grateful that I get to stay home. I get to be home with my kids. I get to be home when my husband gets home. I'm there. There's food. We get to have dinner together. We get to be a family, and I'm grateful for that, so I can't complain. Well, I can complain, and that's okay. But, sometimes you gotta complain and then just get on, get moving, get over that hurdle, and you'll be okay on the other side of it. So back to cleaning. I'm cleaning up my stove. I use Barkeeper's Friend. This is a liquid soft soap version. There's a powder one as well that works really well. I decided to try this one this time. I've used the powder one before, but this soft soap, the liquid one, is just really nice. I love how it cleans stainless steel, and you could see this glass top. Even the grease and grime that was on there got cleaned up really nicely. So again, because I had so many dishes, I usually just leave them out and let them dry, because I had so many and I still had a few more to wash, I decided to dry these and put them away. So that's what I'm doing here. I guess I stopped recording at some point, but I got dinner going, and this night I just made some chicken and rice with some salad, just something simple. And if you guys remember this stainless steel cleaner from my bathroom clean with me, I use this on everything, even on the faucets, on the fixtures. I use it on all the stainless steel surfaces in my kitchen. So I don't know if I got footage of it, but I use it on the stainless steel part of my stove, on the microwave, on the fridge, on the dishwasher. I've even used it on my trash can. But it looks so shiny and so nice. Like when you really clean, like if your mother-in-law is gonna come over, like that kind of clean. This stainless steel cleaner, it'll look like your place is just impeccable. And I love that it doesn't have a scent. So if you use like a certain freshener or a candle, it'll just smell like that scent and not like 100 other scents from all your cleaners. So I love this cleaner. I don't know if you're like me, but I feel like the most satisfying thing is cleaning my sink when my dishes are done. I feel like the dishes aren't done until I clean out the sink. I even brought you guys in closer so you could see. I just love this. I don't know what it is. I mean, if you guys I comment down below if you guys get that feeling of just like cleaning your sink is the most satisfying thing. I love it. So I'm just going in with that stainless steel cleaner, like I said, on my refrigerator. I love it. It is a little oily, so a little goes a long way. Just do a little spritz on your towel and then wipe everything down. This is the same one I use, like I said, in my bathroom clean with me, and I'll link it below again if this is your first time watching or if you missed that. And I even use that last little bit to clean the inside of my sink. Oh my goodness, you guys, your mother-in-law she'll do a double take, like in a good way. She'll be like, what? So yes, I do my trash can with this too. And then all my microfiber cloths, I just throw them in the wash. I vacuumed. I don't know why I don't have that footage, but I did vacuum. And here I am mopping. And there's my baby girl, Eliana. She's just always at my side and always wanting to help. So I need to get her a little mini mop so she can help me mop. So this is the last part of my kitchen clean with me, putting dinner together. So I just did some chicken and rice, and I'm plating it up here. I added a little salad, just some mixed greens and tomatoes. These are grape tomatoes, and this sesame sauce from Costco, it's so amazing. It's like a dark roasted sesame sauce dressing. I've used it as a marinade. I've used it even on like tofu or on a bowl, like a quinoa bowl or a salad bowl. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yeah, you have to try it. So this is my daughter setting up for her sister and tasting her food. And I think this gets the nod of approval. I love it. Those little smiles at the end of the day and the conversations at the table are just, you know, they're the reason why I do all of this. And I'm just so grateful and happy for my family. So this is my kitchen. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.